In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up phone number OTP login for your Shopify store. Whether you're looking to enhance the security of your store or simply want a more convenient way to log in, setting up phone number OTP or one-time password is a great choice. This easy step-by-step process will make logging in both secure and straightforward. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your Shopify admin page. This is your main hub on Shopify, where all the magic happens. As you get to the home page, you'll find a lot of options and settings. What you want to do is locate the store name at the top right corner of the screen. By clicking on this, a menu should appear, where you'll see your account name. Selecting this will direct you to your account settings page, the place where you manage all personal and security details associated with your Shopify store. Once you've arrived at the settings page, you'll see a range of customizable options for managing everything from store preferences to your personal information. This is where you'll find the option to add a phone number, a key step for enabling OTP login. Look for the phone number section on this page. When you find it, go ahead and click Add. At this point, it's time to enter the phone number you'd like to use for the OTP process. It's important to choose a number you have easy access to, as it will be pivotal in the next steps. After entering your number, Shopify will send an OTP code to your phone. Keep an eye on your messages, as this code is essential for verifying your number. Once the OTP code arrives, input it where prompted on your Shopify account page. This validation step helps ensure that the phone number truly belongs to you and adds a layer of security by preventing unauthorized access. After entering the code, the number will be verified and securely linked to your account. That's all there is to it. From now on, whenever you need to log into your Shopify store, you'll have the option to receive a one-time password via text message. This not only streamlines the login process, but also boosts security. You can rest easy knowing that access to your store is protected by an extra layer of security, providing peace of mind for you and your customers. By following these steps, you're taking a proactive approach to the security of your Shopify store. Not only does OTP login enhance protection, but it also offers simplicity and ease of use. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this setup guide was helpful. Enjoy your newly secured Shopify login.